Hey guys, TechDude731 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Linksys EA6900 AC1900 dual band smart Wi-Fi router. Now let's take a look at some of the features listed on the front of the box. To the left we see up to 600 megabits per second on the N side, plus up to 1300 megabits per second on the AC side. This is the ultimate range class of Linksys routers. It is up to 4.3 times faster than N. This is a dual band router, meaning it supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz frequencies. It has beamforming technology. It has a USB 2.0 and a 3.0 port. It has 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. It has advanced security. It features parental control and guest access, also with easy setup and of course adjustable antennas, as you can see in the picture. Now let's take a look at the back of the box. Here you can see this interesting chart which gives you kind of a checklist of features comparing the different routers. Here you can see Linksys' N router, their AC1200 router, and the AC1900 router. The N router only features the N side, so it's only 450 megabit per second on the N. The AC features both N and AC, and the AC1900 features faster N and AC frequencies. As for USB, the N router only features one USB 2.0 port, the AC router features one USB 3.0 port, and the AC1900 router features one USB 2.0 port and one USB 3.0 port. All the routers have gigabit Ethernet, advanced security, smart Wi-Fi, parental controls, also include quality of service and are DLNA certified media servers. Only the AC routers have beamforming technology, which focuses signal to the device for optimal performance, and only the AC1900 router features adjustable antennas. This router also has an app that you can use on your smartphone to turn on and off Wi-Fi access to devices. You can create separate password protected guest networks and access more features on the app via your smartphone. Alright, so now let's take a look inside the box. Pop it open here. As you can see, under this flap you have a quick start guide, a power brick, three antennas, and the router itself. And underneath that, a documentation CD. This is just documentation, as there are no software to install on your computer. And one more thing underneath that is an Ethernet cable. Alright, now let's take a look at the router itself. Along the front here, you see there's not much, just a protruding silver plastic piece. Along the top you can see black plastic with a silver hump, and also holes for ventilation. Along the other side is the same thing. Along the back you have a spot for your antenna, your WPS switch, reset switch, USB 1, and that is a USB 3.0 port, USB 2, and that is a USB 2.0 port. Here you have your WAN port, which is connected to your either your cable or DSL modem. Here you have another antenna connection. Here you have LAN 1, LAN 2, 3, and 4. Here you have your 12 volt DC in and another antenna connection. Along the back of the router, on the bottom, you have little rubber feet along with a serial number, a MAC address, a WPS pin, along with the default wireless network name and password, and also holes for a wall mount. Okay, so I went ahead and configured the router. As you can see, the Linksys light is now on. All the antennas have been installed. Now let's head on over to the computer and take a look at the web GUI. Okay, so now let's take a look at the web GUI. To get to this web GUI for the first time setup, you can type Linksys smartwifi.com or type in any IP address, and after you've configured your router, you can make it a static IP so that it has its own IP address. Once you do that, all you need to do is enter your password, and now you can take a look inside the web GUI. Along the top here, you can see Linksys Smart Wi-Fi, as well as an App Center, Help, Linksys 14020, and you can change that name, or you can sign out. Along the middle here are several widgets. Network status, which shows that this device is connected to the router, which is also connected to the internet. A widget which takes you to Linksys.com to learn more about apps for Linksys Smart Wi-Fi routers. Your device list, which shows you how many devices are connected at this time. A parental controls widget, which you can toggle on and off. Media prioritization, which you can prioritize different media, such as if you have a voice over IP solution for your phone or any streaming media device such as an Xbox 360 or Apple TV, to prioritize that and make sure they get all the possible bandwidth. You can also enable guest access, and you can see your USB storage. Along the left hand side, you have your smart Wi-Fi tools, device list, guest access, parental controls, media prioritization, speed test, USB storage, and then router settings, which include connectivity, troubleshooting, wireless, and security. Okay, that about finishes this video on the Linksys AC1900 router. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up down below. Leave a comment if you have one, and subscribe for more videos.